What's up, y'all? It's your girl Beverly Face, and I am back yet again with another slay. So today we're going to be doing this Asian or Chinese style of makeup. I did just like this cute cut crease. I added some cute chopsticks, did my hair, and we got this cute Chinese themed robe or Asian themed robe from Amazon. So we went all out today. So yes, it came out really cute. If you guys want to see how I achieved this look, then just continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. That way you know the next time your girl drops a video. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next one. And now for the tutorial you've all been waiting for. We're going to be starting with the crayon case, and this is the matte book. Of course, I'm always using it. I will use another palette, you guys, I promise. Anyway, we're going to be using this purple color, and we're just going to be putting that into the crease and packing it first through the outer corner, then blending it into the crease. Then we're going to be taking the peach color and we're just going to be packing that on top and blending those two colors together. Moving on, sis, we are just going to be cutting our crease, and we're just using the makeup wipe to create that shape. And then I will use my P. Louise Rumor Base in number 0. That is the white one. So you guys see me do this plenty of times before, so I kind of just did it off camera because to get a nice crease, cut crease, I like to get up close. Going back in with that same peach color from the crayon case and that same plum purple color, I'm just blending those two together and then putting that on my lid, that peachy color. And I'm just taking a brush and you'll see me blending the purple into the orange. After that, you will see me taking a yellow from the palette and just putting that in the inner corner and the rest of the cut crease. So now you're going to be wanting to do a thick wing liner. I want to make it thick because I just thought it made the eye look more dramatic. It just went well with the look. I'm using the NYX, it's the, what is it, the Epic liner, I believe it is, in black, and this really helped me achieve my wing. Lastly, I'm just going to be adding this cream color from the crayon case onto the rest of the eyeshadow look on top, and I'm just blending that in, and that kind of diffuses out where the brow bone is. And then I'm going to be adding some crystals and just making the look more dramatic. You can add however many you want. I just decided to be different, add 3 on one side, 2 on the other, but you guys can do it however you want to do it. Now I added my lashes off camera. Give you lashes coming soon enough, you guys. You guys will see my lashes. I will do a video on the names and showing you my brand, and you guys, I can't wait to show you, like I keep saying. But anyway, I added the lashes. I'm just speeding through my foundation, highlight, and contour routine because it is the same. And after that, you'll just see me adding some yellow to pop off the look, and we are done, sis. I hope you guys enjoyed this super duper easy look. Recreate it. Tag me at giveyouface on my Instagram, on my Facebook, and yeah, I want to see your looks. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.